Hey guys, welcome back to your library's YouTube channel. This week for our summer reading program craft, I'm going to be showing you how to make a squid from the popular game Minecraft. We're going to do it completely out of paper, and I'll show you how to assemble it today. So let's get started. In each kit, you'll find several sheets of pre-cut paper, one long sheet, two forked pieces, two longer tentacles, and a set of eyes. You'll also need scissors and glue or tape for this craft.
You'll also receive some fishing line that looks like this.
Start with a long sheet of paper. You'll want to fold this paper along the black lines to form a cube shape. When you're done, you'll have a little tab left over. Grab your glue or tape and stick the tab on the inside of your cube. Now you have the body of your squid. Next, glue the forked sheets of paper to the front and back of your squid's body. Once you have the front and back sides glued, glue the remaining tentacles to the left and right sides of your squid. Ready for the last couple steps? Cut out your squid's eyes using the scissors. Now use tape or glue to affix the eyes to the front of your squid. Use tape or glue again to do the same with the fishing line included in the kit. And you're done! Feel free to hang up your squid wherever you'd like around the house, maybe in your new gaming setup. And don't forget, these kits are available while supplies last at the Youth Services desk at the Bay County Public Library. So until next time, this has been Kyle at the Bay County Public Library, and I'll see you next week with our next craft. See you then. Bye.